Very, very okay. Please subscribe.
Okay, let's make a delicious banana muffins. Yes, this is so delicious. This is very, very okay. And this is super healthy. Yes, because I'm gonna use oatmeal. You have to try this one. Now let's start to cook. Very, very okay. Yes, please subscribe, thumbs up, and share to your friends because they're gonna love if you prepare this one to your friends. Yes, here I separate my oatmeal, which is gonna be 400 ml, okay? If you have a measure cup, this will help you. I'm gonna use the blender because I'm gonna make a powder with this oatmeal, okay? Yes, this is gonna be fast. And now you can see the texture. I'm gonna add the rest. This is gonna substitute the flour, okay? So I'm gonna separate here the oatmeal. Okay, after separated, I'm gonna prepare the liquids. Now, it's super easy and simple, okay? I'm gonna add 2 eggs, okay? Medium size. So I'm gonna blend the eggs. After blend the eggs, I'm gonna add brown sugar, which is gonna be 100 ml. I'm using the same cup to measure. Yeah, brown sugar, I would say it's more healthy. And I'm gonna blend with the eggs. Okay, after blended, now I'm gonna add 50 grams of butter. So this butter, no salt, room temperature, or you can melt in a microwave. So now I separated 2 bananas, medium size, okay? And it's good to use this one because it's about to expire. If you want to add green bananas, you can add the green bananas. If you want to learn how to make green bananas, you can check the video. I explain more details here in my channel. But in this case, I'm gonna use the yellow banana. Okay. And now it's important, I'm gonna use yogurt. Here there's 100 ml of yogurt. You can use kefir also. This yogurt, there's no taste. It's a plain yogurt. And now I'm gonna mix with the rest of the liquids. And now you have to blend very well because of the bananas. I'm gonna add the liquid with my oatmeal. I'm gonna blend everything. So I'm gonna add more and check the texture. Everything is gonna be very, very okay. I'm gonna add the rest of the liquid. It's not so liquid. You can check the texture and everything is super mixed. Let's see how it looks like. And now one of my secrets for this muffin to taste very, very okay. You add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon, it's super good and it's super healthy. Yes, I'm gonna blend everything. And now I'm gonna use my spatula for this final process. I have here chocolate bar, 52 grams of chocolate. If you want to add more or less, it's up to you. Or if you want to try dark chocolate, other kinds of chocolate, it's up to you. Or if you don't want to add any chocolate, it's okay. But chocolate, yes, it's a good combination. So cinnamon, it's very nice, very okay with chocolate. I love to have this muffin. It's very delicious. Okay, so after I separate my chocolate, and now for the final process, I'm gonna add the baking powder, which is gonna be 1 tablespoon, okay? Okay, after I add my baking powder, I'm gonna mix very well. And now I have this silicone mold. Try to fill everything, okay? And after fill it everything, now I'm gonna add the chocolate and this will go to the oven. If you need to preheat your oven, I suggest you to preheat 10 minutes before you put the muffins in the oven. It's gonna be in the oven for 20 minutes and 180 Celsius, okay? Yes, this is fast, this is very good. This is very delicious. This is very, very okay. Let's check the result. I'm gonna show to you. It's super easy to remove from the mold, the silicone mold, and look how it looks like. It's super good. The texture is perfect. There's a lot of fibers here because of the oatmeal. I'm gonna have some now because I'm super hungry. Yes. And this is super delicious. You have to try this one. Please share this video to your friends, thumbs up and subscribe because this is very, very okay. Thank you very much.
Very very okay. Please subscribe.
The Ultimate Craft Design Organoid course. I will guide you to discover the potential that you have to create beautiful gems, and with this knowledge you can go beyond. You can create beautiful crafts, you can sell, you can make for yourself, you can give to your friends and family a special gift made by your hands. And there's more. I selected some ebooks for you to download PDF format. The Ultimate Craft Design Organoid course.